everybody. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I've uploaded and today I'm playing Floody Skate. I'm going to medium. Guess I'm going by myself. I'm back. I had to do something. Well, fortunately I died, so let's do that again. Bro, let me through. Do I even have a coil? I don't think I do. I got the same app. Well, trying to do this again. Oh, where do I go? So guys, how have your days been? Screen just turned, bro. Let me turn up the volume. Let's see, do I have any things unlocked? I got this. I don't have the gravity coil yet. Well, let's do this. Alright, I'm still pretty cracked at this game. Oh my gosh. As soon as I say that, I die. Well, I'll just wait till one is open. So, see ya. Okay, so medium has opened up. Time to do some medium. Yeah, guys, can you please like and subscribe? I'm trying to reach 40 subscribers. I know I haven't posted in a while. So it'll mean a lot. Just reach 40 subscribers. I know that might not seem like a lot, but it helps me out. I haven't played this game in a long time. Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys seen Spider-Man No Way Home yet. So where do I go on this map? So it looks like I go this way. Alright, not this way. Alright. Did pretty good. Waiting on one more left. Oh, I ain't making time. I used to play this game a whole bunch. Uh-oh. Wow. I just trash at this game. Could play this. Oh yeah, you can't be serious, bro. Let's go medium. Alright, let's do this. I'm casually lagging. Now, when did they ever have time just to press the button? Alright. You got this. Alright, now wherever we go here. I guess I'll go get the button. Ooh, I used to have a lot of ones on this game. I took a huge break. The huge break was a huge break off of YouTube, to be honest. It's just me alone. Oh, nah, you can't be serious after that one, bro. I haven't been playing obbies in a long time. I know, this is where I'm about to cry. We don't talk about this. Oh. Come on now, bro. I lagged so bad. I'm gonna at least try to get one win. Let me get back up here. I know I'm gonna regret going for the button. Somebody's gonna have to risk it. Oh my gosh. I never should have tried that. Especially on how bad I'm gonna lag. Alright, let's go to easy. Alright, now let's hope I at least get a win in easy. I don't want to have nobody in the comments saying I'm trash. And if this video get 10 views, then I'll come back to YouTube. And 10 views may not seem like a lot, but it's a lot for me. So I want to be a good YouTuber someday. 'Cause I never had that feeling, you know? Oh wait, where'd we go? Oh wait, wrong way. Alright, gotta... I'm coming. Hold on.